Hello, Odoo. I hope you all are doing great. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to add website form and fill the backend records using the website form. So, let's say for example, in this video, we will see we will create create contact form something on front end side, and it will create a contact record, right? So to create a website form, we need to check that our model is accessible on website side. So for that, we will go to settings, activate the developer mode from here. I have already activated, and click on technical. I will go down and check here these models, and I will search RES partner. It means our contact form. So here website form, I can see allowed to use form. It must be already as checked, right? So this is already checked. Now if I go to website and click here on editor, and let's say here I will create a new page. Let's say create contact something. You can see this menu edit, create contact, and here from the building blocks I will select this, and this is, let's say, if I click here, let's create contact a record something. We can click here anything, and if I click on this form, here you can see this form. We can apply for, we can select different options, like apply for job, create a customer, create opportunity, create task. So let's say we will select create customer, and these are the different fields. This is the name field, your name. We can change here the label. Let's say write name something. Here this is the email. This both field we make as mandatory, right? This is the required, right? Marked field as required, and phone number, right? So we can set here required or not, and we can set a company name. If I want to add a new field, let's say here I will select let's say existing field as a website, let's say, and this is let's say I select website link, and it must required, right? And I will click on save, and if user come here and field test uh, customer abcd at the rate email.com something, phone number and website link, test company, and if I click here submit, if I go to backend context, I search here test, you can see this records created: test customer, test company, this phone number, email, website, right? So in this way we can create a website form and create records backend side. So I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you.